This is Evan from Decent Traders. I traded FUTU this time and I had a bad day. The reason for this was because the stock really didn't go anywhere. It just kind of stayed in its place, moved up and down a few times, but it really didn't go anywhere. So I kind of misjudged the direction it was going because it actually didn't go any direction. So that's really what caused the loss. The first one here, I went for a short. This was obvious to break the VWAP. You can see this bearish bar kind of make me feel it's a 1 minute breakdown, just your casual one. So I got in real quick once I saw that it was obviously to break this VWAP, but instead it randomly bounces up for no apparent reason that I can see, and I get stopped out here. And my next trade here was initially still the same short plan because this huge bullish bar ended up being a bearish bar. So obvious this is going to at least test the VWAP. Like I didn't think it would at least bounce up. So unfortunately that's what happens. And once I realized that like nothing could hold this stock, nothing can pull this stock down anymore. This is where I make my last mistake here. I decide to flip after it reaches the high. So obviously this is to break the high over here. That's kind of what happens, but not really. Just kind of reaches its peak and then it just falls down. This was just accidental misclick here. And then this is where I actually get stopped out. And after these 3 losses over here, I decided to make at least one final good trade. Now it's like it's way too obvious to the point where I just have to do it even after these 3 losses, where I actually finally take a short. This was it was like a decent entry point if you're not judging these previous trades, but it worked out most of the part. And I was initially going to hold this for a bit longer until this engulfing pattern came here and then took me out of the trade. But overall, it was a bad day.